Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Passfab for WinRAR file. So if you have a file that has a password on and you want to remove it, so I'll show you the easiest way to do it. So first you have to open a browser and there you have to search for Passfab. Once you search for it, then you will get the results. From there you have to open the first one and then you will land onto the website of Passfab. Passweb offer different solutions to the matters related to tech, mobile, and laptop. From within that, we have to use the one that can help us remove the password for RAR files. So for that, you have to click onto its free trial, and after that, the downloading will start. Once the downloading gets done, then you have to install it. So simply click onto it, and after that the installation process will start. It will take like a minute or maybe few seconds. It will ask you some options. You have to simply get agree to it and just simply finish installation. Once the installation is done, click on to this option, then it will open. But before, I'm going to show you that I have this WinRAR file, and once I open it up, it asks for the password. So I'll show you if you have the same file, then how you can fix it. So the Passfab icon will be on your desktop. Whenever you want to use it, open it up and you will see this interface. Now here you first have to click onto that option for add. By doing that, you have to select the file of which you want to remove the password. So just simply click onto this add option, and from your files select that zip file or WinRAR file of which you want to remove the password. Simply get that file up here and then you will see the three options at the bottom. You have to select this last one and click on start. Now what it do, it actually add different passwords to this file and see which one works. So it actually adds thousands of different password, and whichever works the best, it will show you like this. Once it gets the password, then it will show you there. But as if you don't have its subscription, then you will not be able to get it. So you just have to simply get its subscription. Once you have it, then you will be able to see the password. Right now you can see it is hidden, but then it will be visible. So you just have to simply copy the password. Once you have the password, then you can just simply paste it to your WinRAR file, and after that you will be able to unlock it. So let's say we have got the password from there. So what you have to do is you just have to simply copy that password and then go to that file of which you want to add. Simply open it up and then you just have to simply write the password or do a copy paste, click on OK, and then you will see the file will be there and you will be able to use it. So that's how you can use Passfab for WinRAR. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.